tacos went right through me. Ta-ta for now. Stop it! Are you crazy? Ew. So gross. I forgot to flush. Oh no! What have you done? I didn't know. Officer, help! Look what they did!
I'll take care of this.
It was her!
You two are coming with me!
Here comes the explosion! Wow! How satisfying is that? I love these things. Make it rain! All I have is this little guy. Also very satisfying. Hey, give me that. Stop! No!
What was that? Not cool! Who is it then?
She did it. It was her! Certainly not me.
I've heard enough. Let's go to jail. Get in there!
Oh no. Hey, over here! Never mind. So cold! Seriously? All good in here. Hey, I tried. This will be my bed. Wow, it's fantastic. It's disgusting. I can't live in a place like this. Gross. Nothing a little green can't fix. Much better. Our room is beautiful. Ours? No. It's my room. Don't cross this line or else. Are we clear? Hey! What? It's like there's a wall here! Exactly. Bye. So mean!
Hey, be quiet! Come to Papa.
I'm starving! Any food for sale over there?
Oh man. Okay, fine.
Yummers! Bon appetit. Oh no! Here. Thanks. Not again! Gimme!
Here, lady.
My food! What? Is that a hot dog? I am so lucky! And now, we feast! Ready, Fork? Hey! What's wrong with this thing? You've betrayed me. Now we're talking. Come on. It's no use. I'll never get to eat.
Just gimme though. I have to do everything around here. Come on, bend. Well, that ought to do it. Need this?
Huh? Yes! Wait for it! It's really slicing it, look! Wow, what a beauty! Tastes good, too. I can't hold on to these to save my life. What about me?
I think I have something. Yeah, hey, catch.
A slicer? Yeah, okay. Let's get slicing, baby. Ready? Wow, what an upgrade. Now for the good stuff. Who eats hot dogs plain anyway? That was the best meal ever. But it ended too soon. But I can change that. Mine! A hot dog miracle!
I don't think so. Bad inmate! I need to eat too, you know.
Now what? I'm taking matters into my own hands. You're gonna feed me, understand? Now gimme that thing.
So mean.
Finally some hot, delicious food. Huh? It isn't real. And this? What? That looks so good. Wow! So squishy.
That's something else.
I know. What? Things are suddenly looking up. I've got work to do. Next step, teeth. Almost there. And done! Sweet, squishy goodness. Achoo! Anyone have a tissue? So nasty. But wait, I can put it to good use. There. Now lipstick. It's your time. Alrighty. Look! I have a burger! What? No, I want it! Come on, hand it over. No way. Okay, fine. Fair trade. I'd say it is. It's fake!
Hey, a burger? Incredible.
Oh no! My teeth need some help. You up for the challenge? First step, fill up the tray. Then it's bite time, baby. Phew. Feeling better already. Looking it too. I feel awful!
What? What's that smell? It's you! Get that under control!
Okay. Wow, toothpaste!
Interesting. Hey, knock it off. I'm all sticky now. Help!
Perfect! Finders, keepers! This is fun! And I know just what to make. Just look at this! My little toothpaste companion. Ready? Let it all out, baby! It's brush time! Extra toothpaste, please! Nice. Boy, that feels great! Better? Huh? Oh, what's with your teeth? Hey! No! I'm all wet. Actually, I needed that! Check out this $1 million smile. It's fine, I guess.
It's so bright in here. Too bright. Hey, close your mouth.
I'm kicking your butt.
Slow down!
I'll just play by myself. Scissors. Rock, paper. Never mind. This stinks.
Come on, come on.
I'm gonna kick your butt.
Not on my watch. See?
No!
You're sweating. Here. A toilet paper roll. Jackpot! Now this I can play with. There. So cool. Look at this fun design. But I'm not done yet. Let's take this to the next level. Looking good. Just one more detail. Can you smile for me? So cute, right? My little kitty friend. You're my new bestie, okay? I love you too.
I almost got it. Yes, I won.
No, why?
Yes.
You won? No.
Hey, that's not fair.
Want to meet my new friend?
Nope. I don't.
Why did you do that?
Is the coast clear? I could use a little snacky snack. Bring on the goods. So beautiful! And they're all mine. Starting with sour apple. More, more. So yummy.
Ew.
What have I done to my candy? My precious snack stash.
Stop crying! A new controller? Cash. Hey, look at this. Catch!
Hey, what's that? It certainly looks promising. Wait a minute. My lollipop! So luck is on my side. Hold this. Thanks. Oh no! Is it ruined? Oh no, it's a candy miracle.
At least I have this, I guess. But wait, there's candy in here! Oh yeah! Sweet! No way! Free lollipop? And hair, that's alright. Good as new! Hey! Wait, I can do that too! Who needs expensive gadgets when you have brains? Wow! Now for some personalization! Everything's more fun with a face! Let's see here. Okay, got it. Say hello to Officer Lollipop Protector. Need a hand? Or rather, two. Lick, please. So yummy. Gotcha! I'm about to blow. Here it comes.
Hey, you're over the line! That seat's half mine.
Do you mind? What? I want to poop.
Oh yeah? Not on my watch.
Two can play that game.
You'll regret that.
Oh yeah? There! Stop it! You're unbelievable. Wait, it's too full. Oh no.
Is that what I think it is? Ew. I need assistance. Yes, come fast. Hi, fix the toilet.
Seriously? I don't get paid enough for this. This is gonna be bad.
Don't forget that spot.
Still have to go.
This is taking forever. So annoying.
Wanna talk?
Besties.
Wanna know a secret?
Really? Him?
Hello? Look at this. No one will miss it. Awesome. Okay, it's done. The toilet. I can go now. What? Just her side? No.
What time is it? You're crying about the toilet?
I don't think it's funny at all. Huh? What's that? I'm so tired. Wait, what? Am I dreaming? I'm gonna be rich. Jackpot! Yo, officer, let me out.
For me? My pleasure.
Closer, closer. Come here, good boy. It's for you.
Oh, happy day. Wait!
Bye-bye.
Come back here! No!